Today we have a special treat for you, a sneak peek at the highly anticipated ** 2025 Renault Rafale **. This brand new hybrid SUV is set to revolutionize the market with its innovative design, high-tech interiors, and cutting-edge hybrid powertrain. Whether you're an enthusiast of hybrid vehicles or simply looking for the perfect SUV, the Rafale promises to be a game-changer in the automotive world. The ** 2025 Renault Rafale ** sports a sleek, muscular body design that commands attention. Its aggressive yet refined lines, paired with new LED headlamps, make it easily recognizable on the road. This stylish exterior is more than just eye-catching. It's also highly aerodynamic, which reduces drag and boosts fuel efficiency. Inside, the Rafale continues to impress with a spacious and comfortable cabin. The quality materials used in the seats and interior trim, combined with an organized layout, offer an upscale feel. The large touchscreen infotainment system, complete with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures seamless connectivity while driving. Under the hood, the Rafale features an advanced hybrid engine that integrates a gasoline engine with electric motors, offering impressive performance and exceptional fuel efficiency. Whether navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, this hybrid system delivers easy acceleration, low emissions, and high fuel economy. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with advanced driver assist features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to ensure a safe and confident driving experience. The ** 2025 Renault Rafale ** is the ultimate hybrid SUV, blending performance, design, and practicality. From daily commutes to weekend getaways, it's the perfect companion for any journey. Be sure to follow Nitro Cars for more detailed reviews and updates on the latest in the automotive world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. It's pretty spacious too, particularly in the back seats where you get loads of leg and headroom. And there's even good space for a third person to sit in the middle. Storage is fine, with large door bins being a positive, though the glove box is small and the area under the armrest isn't massive. Boot space is decent, with more capacity than you get in the Coupe Formentor and Peugeot 408, but a bit less than in the Citroën C5X. You lose a little capacity if you go for the plug-in hybrid to make space for the batteries, but compared with equivalent plug-in versions, the Renault wins against all those mentioned above. At launch, the Rafale is only available with a self-charging hybrid engine. It has 200 horsepower and promises up to 60.1 mpg. The plug-in hybrid is coming later and has 300 horsepower. Its favorable benefit-in-kind rate means it's probably worth waiting for if you are a company car driver, and should offer excellent economy if you can keep its batteries charged up. We'll update this review with driving impressions once we've been behind the wheel. But if you can't wait that long, you can find out how much you could save with Carwo's Renault Rafale deals. You can also browse other used Renault models, and when it's time to sell your car, Carwo can help with that too. How much is the Renault Rafale? The Renault Rafale has a RRP range of $49,353 to $57,752. However, with Carwo you can save on average $6,153. Prices start at $43,887 if paying cash. Monthly payments start at $491. The price of a used Renault Rafale on Carwo starts at $47,609.